In this video, we are going to start with the ROS2 and Arduino communication. So this is going to be an interesting topic. So make sure that you watch the video till the very end. We are going to use this Arduino Uno for the communication between ROS2 and the Arduino. Basically, we are going to build a simple publisher and subscriber model with the help of Arduino, and we will use ROS2 integration for that to just study like how to use ROS with the hardware stuff like Arduino microcontroller. And basically we are choosing Arduino because for example in a mobile robot we use controller to drive the motors by communicating with the motor drivers. A similar model can be implemented using Arduino as a microcontroller, and it can control the motor drivers and command the motors. Okay, so that is one thing. But in the coming video we are going to see about the communication between Arduino and ROS2, which is going to be a simple publisher and subscriber model. We are going to make a publisher and subscriber for the Arduino communication. You will get to know about it. But like going to the very basics, how this communication will happen. Basically, we are going to use the serial communication, that is the UART one, for the communication between ROS2 and Arduino, which will be very easy to understand. And yeah, that is going to be the basic communication behind the ROS2 and Arduino integration. And also we will use the Arduino IDE and Python pyserial library for the communication. So yeah, make sure that you watch the next video, and yeah, let's grow, learn and explore together. Bye.